see all of you that is supporting Mathias. You no go better for now. I saw one idiot telling me that Mathias is good to Igbo. Or Tondaga Bobugi. Only I did that thing again. Now Tondaga fire anybody who go tell me say Mathias is good to Igbo. Mathias is a good thing to Igbo people. In what way? When I say known as Igbo, all the people want to help Romeo and Mathias Ekperima. What is he doing to them or for them? Apart from sharing 2 cups of rice to those people. Those people, those things are the money those people contributed. What Mathias is giving to all those people today is the money people contributed in Romeo and Mathias Ekperima. How many of them has Mathias used his personal money to fix or set up in life? How many of those people who national as Igbo or a hospital? Ego ya kojiro hospital. Which hospital koro? Nke rent. All those 2 cups of rice on a share, all those people who move in Nigeria. Or ego Mathias koji emeya? No. Ego people contribute to koji emeya. Obun ego Mathias koji eme that thing. He wouldn't be giving those poor people 2 cups of rice because he has the money. He has the money on a retipa, on a 4 decade, on a lot of business. But he can never use his personal money to help all those people. He said, no, also, you think all of us are daft like you guys here? You guys thought I'm daft like you. They don't have other people and they use their personal money. They give people money, set up people, bags of rice, have bags of rice. Oji 2 cups of rice. Oh, people now to get donate. Now Zozi Bondo. They say that Mathias is good to Igbo people. I working with you. Mathias, everything that is good to Igbo people, I want to destroy it. Thunder Babuogi there. Do you know Mathias in the Miho name? What has he done to Igbo with his money? How many times can I say Mathias do account of me and Mathias Ekperima? Let's see what is in there. In our own NGO, you claim one of the best. Do the account to the public to see. Since 2019, I be 2018, when I still there Naija, Mathias Ekperima, the very first day, my brother Chibo, I think that should be his name. Something like that. Mathias Abba, Basasi everywhere. Onwe go Jazu Ibondo, but he hold focus on his personal business and family. Or 2 cups of rice I hear one. I've done a lot of things to Igbo people. Kitty Baba Buchu Nuntani in a dear. Nederum da rubbish. Get a Mathias so me Grundibo. Apart from Igbo people need donate. Can you go his personal money we Merundibo? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I call in Mathias. If you don't make content creators, you think I'm here on Facebook, can make content and chase a clout. Or no, like some of you bastard and I want to go viral. Chanting I go viral every week. I don't know what I'll be doing. You think if I want to be going viral every week, I don't know what I'll be posting. You think I'm daft? You think I'm out here for all those rubbish you name? Say man chega viral. Can Mathias me go? Kaifo with his personal money to people. Now hot one at Kochori Ameko Sisia Zaozi Bond. Let him use his personal money and so those Igbo people on the camp. When I was able to by sharing 2 cups of rice, and most of you bastards, when I'm talking, you are talking. Oji his personal money. Now establish me and now for decking a ropo. Kito we go jeja ba NDC ticket. But when we go na bala is then you mo bonya ho na bala na abano ko na eke 2 cups of rice. You bastard don't go on emotion and I talk unu. Hey yanka jimenka nke eme ho Monday nke na threaten tonda ga agbabunu. Anyway, it's like you guys don't even know me. Totally you threaten or mo anka. You don't know me on this Facebook. You think I send your papa? You think I care? You know, Mathias is going nowhere. He doesn't have the quality. Like every aspect of it. They call it Constitution, human right. You don't respect human right. You don't. You abuse people physically, psychologically, and emotionally. You can't rule. You can't handle offices. You can't. So because Tinubu, Buhari, rule Nigeria without certificate. That is the reason why it's Mathias right to go in there. A very daft guy to just go in there without certificate. Then again, when you talk about Enugu, have Tinubu ever come out to say that Christian Bundoshi, that Christian are this, Christian are that, he will buy Christians, he will close churches, pastors did him this, pastors that did him that? Has Tinubu come out? Has any politician, any House of Reps, call it senator, call it governor, call it whatever, ever come out to abuse any particular religion? Has any of them done it? That is because they are educated. They know the rule of law. They know the constitution. They know the importance of human rights. All those things, man. Countries like Canada, countries like UK, countries like all these top countries are doing better today because the system respects all those things. Whether you are a Muslim or Christian or Mathias Ezeaku, it shouldn't be anyone's business. And when you talk about development, fixing the country, doing some certain things in society, they always put all those things aside and work individually as human. But because of Mathias, a lot of things are going wrong back home today. I know a lot of young guys that stop going to church because of all this nonsense teaching Mathias they teach here. I know a lot of pastors on this internet, they disgraced Mathias at the other one, they Kadaka. And his second command, the chief of mafia, they always see preachers on the road and put camera. And they disgrace you know. Nda bundoshi, nda Jesus bundi by, nda may behave cut out. After all those things, you want him to go into office and rule a particular community. Chineke gapun chani nok. You guys should stop that rubbish. She doesn't have the quality. Tell yourself the truth. I need it to go. Let him go back to school and learn first. Very, very important. Omagodu rule of law, constitution, human rights, respecting people's belief, people's religion, people's faith. First, all of us will not be eating oji and kai kai like him. Chineke ekweni hojo. A young boy like me, be dota oji na kai kai. Choka mwe heart attack. A young boy like me, that's when you now I told you I'm every day. Do you want to kill me before my time? Same now upon them bone and dear get Arab bunego thunder babuku nun chani in a dear. You know them na anime Mathias is good thing. You want to destroy good thing that is coming to Igbo land. Ndi what do you know bara? Chineke bukwa nun chani no no ke good thing Mathias me go rundi Igbo. Apart from causing confusion, causing problem. How many times call the government out? That is my problem. How many times has Mathias called the government to fix whatever they need to fix to people, to fix the road, to fix electricity, to fix all the problems we are facing in Southeast? Insecurity. How many times has Mathias called out the government? He always call Jesus Christ and call pastors and call men of God. How many times has he done it? You always blame Jesus Christ, Ndioka, and the man of God, Ndi Father, Ndi Sioka. That is what Mathias has been doing. He has never for once called out government. Government, come and fix this road. Oh, go to Mpoa in a road. Government, come and soludo. Fix the area. I had them walk over. Fix the area. The only person Mathias will call is Jesus Christ and men of God. Now he has his own problem. He remembers that there are people in the office that can handle a lot of things. There are people in the office that can handle most of this problem we are facing. There are people in the office that is their responsibility to fix all those things. That's the reason why we vote them in there, but they are not doing anything. But Mathias can never call them out. Instead, he will call Jesus Christ and let you guys say, "Oh, was Igbo? We have done a lot to Igbo." Thunder strike all of you there. All this emotional thing could everywhere. That's how today. Then if we can kuku, you put on Ezuregi, see no Jukemenka, Ojimenka, Omehonka. He's going nowhere. Mathias is going. Wait, you guys don't know me. This week I'm writing direct to NDC. You see that party? I call them useless. Somebody, a lot of people are coming to my own inbox. Don't call NDC useless, please. He said just focus on the matter, on the issue, only Mathias. Don't call the party useless. The reason why I'm calling the useless is that they should screen, not the personality. Know the past life of this person. Take social media, how his lifestyle is, before giving ticket. Oh, in daughter, Due no father than the buy. Daughter get screen again. Oh, ya for me kebe time gije check here. Kama me lago munye mad. How they take your social media? Kama ne here a post. They will take everything about you before bringing you in or giving you whatever. They buy woo. When I will take is that's the reason why I said that NDC is useless. I will write to them directly. You guys don't know me. I'm gonna write to them directly regarding Mathias. Sit OJ Megan, office OJ Megan. Oh, scrap Mathias. Where Bojas? You focus on women and abuse Ezeaku. Zoba, all this way baro push and starting. Nobody should write me that rubbish again. And I don't send on a papa. Metanka ya talk about. Ntoba ikuche muso kama motori again. Idiot.